Okay, look. Sweetheart. See, you got the flowers. Take them out on the grass and we'll play with them. There you go. Go get them. Bust that bag up. Okay, I'll get it for you. There we go. There we go. And go play. Let's see the bag. Hand me the bag. Allison, hand me the bag. Look. So you can take some out. Come here real close. Ah! There you go. Have some fun. Yay! Whoa!
Thank you, Daddy.
You're welcome, sweetheart. Oh, the wind got it. Off it goes. Gotta go get it. Meow.